Good morning. It's October 17th today. Going downstairs my house. So I check all the things to do today again. I have to go and prepare my breakfast. Get ready to do my exercise again. It's October 17th today. So I must have to do all my work again. I don't want to have any helper in my house these days because my grandchildren are already big. So I can just do a little bit of sweeping. But I don't cook because it's my son-in-law who does the cooking and we buy food mostly outside. Here are kamot, the kamote that I have to cook again. Sweet potato. I need to boil this for our snacks. This is healthy food, the sweet potatoes. This is my back view. This is I am here at my dirty kitchen. This is my dirty kitchen outside. There. This is outside my house here at the back. My washing area. My washing machine. There are all the toys of my grandson. We wash and hang up there. There is the water pump where we get water. But we have electric pump, so we don't need to pump water all the time. But here in the Philippines, it's important to have water pump in case of emergency. I have something to use. And there is my my electric pump here beside my house. It's very important to have electric pump. And here, these are my hanging plants. These are lucky plants. I have many of these in my back of my house. Thanks. Here is the side of my house. Visiting again my plants. There's my grapes that they are dying. I don't know if they don't look healthy. I think it's the soil is not real fertile. It's sad to lose my. There are my bougainvilleas. bougainvilleas beside my house. There is my gate. Just go. There's a rambutan fruit. Stop bearing fruit this year. Just only a few of them. There's my front yard. People are passing by. Okay, I have to go up. I have to go inside my house now so I can have breakfast again. My routine is always the same. Do my exercise. Thanks for watching, guys.